Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 5-in-1 tool from Wavytalk. This thing's really neat because you can interchange any of these 5 tips. They send you with the, crimping rods. You get the 3-barrel rod. You've got your thermal brush, and then 3 different sizes of barrels ranging from a 1/2 inch up to 1 1/4 inch. So you can then curl either a tight curl or more of a loose curl, and a little glove. So that way, if you are using one of these, you're not going to burn your hand. Storage case, and then these little clips to be able to pull your hair back. Whenever you have real thick hair like me, you've got to pull your hair back, and that way do it in different layers. So I am going to use that, and we will show you how this all gets set up. So this is your main base. You've got a nice little Velcro piece right there. Pull this little plug off, standard 110 outlet. We're going to plug that in, and then we just pick out which one we want. So I'm going to pick this crimper. You've got 2 little dots right there. And then when you look on the inside, you can actually see those 2 dots as well. All you've got to do is just line that up, press it in, and you are done. I actually put it on backwards so I can see my little thing. Oh, no, I didn't. So I got that on there just fine. We've got that up there. And then you turn it on. You have 2 different heat settings. So based on your thickness of your hair, I'm going to go ahead and do it a little thicker. So that way it will be, or hotter because I've got thicker hair. And then it's going to heat up real fast. I've already put the heat protectant on here. So this says it'll be about 30 seconds and we will have this nice ceramic heat to be able to do my hair. All right, so one other thing to note is this actually has a nice little stand on it. So that way this heat, you can set it down and it's not going to be on your counter to burn that surface. So that is a really nice addition. And then we just take little pieces of my hair and start to crimp. That's working very quickly on my hair. So that is going to be fantastic. And it's easy to switch this thing out and you can do so many different styles with it. I mean, that's nice how it's just easily doing that. And then if I wanted to change it out, like I said, can easily pull this out, do another one, but I don't really want to change up my hair now. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep crimping my hair. But this tool is working really fast. I love how they include all of the things you need, from the glove to the complete different style changes of all of this, and even the little clips. This is a whole set that you can use for yourself or give it as a gift.